Hello everyone, welcome to Work Smart Essentials, your channel for mastering Excel essentials workplace skills. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to our channel and comment below to let me know what you want to learn next. Let's get started. In this video, we're gonna see three dynamic functions, that is TOCOL, WRAPROWS and WRAPCOLS. So let's start with TOCOL. Okay, now what is a to-call function? The to-call function converts data from multiple rows and columns into a single vertical column. So let's see how this works. So for example, I want to convert this numeric data, this much from D3 to F5. I want to convert this into a one single column. So see, how do I do it? Equal to call, open bracket. I will select the array first. Array is the range where we want to convert it to the column. Next, we can ignore certain things, like by default we will select all the values. If you type 1, we can ignore blanks. If you type 2, it can ignore errors. And third is it can ignore blank and errors both. So by default it is 0. So even if you don't type the 0, it will be a 0. So let's just type it. Next. Okay, so now again we will type false. Enter. So here you see, starting from 120, it can do to here 120, 130, 140. It goes this way. Okay, now what does this false did? Okay, it scanned everything by rows. If you type true, let's see what happens. See, first it will write all the columns. So 120, 110, 100. Then it goes to 130, 125, 115. So I hope you are clear how to call function works. Now, this is very useful when you want to normalize scattered data before applying formulas like COUNTIF, SUMIF, or pivot tables maybe. So I hope you are clear with two calls. Now, next move to wrap rows. The wrap rows function takes a single column or row and wraps that into a fixed number of columns. So see, how does this work? Equal to wrap rows, open bracket. First select the column we want to convert to uh, rows. Okay. Now, how many columns do we want? Like, when do you want the row to change? I want to get it changed after 4. Okay, and I'll close bracket and press enter. So see what it did. It started placing it into the columns by 4. Since I wanted to change the row by 4, then the fifth number comes into the next row. This is how wrap rows work. You type equal to wrap rows, then apply the formula and give them a number on where do you want to change the row. Okay, this is very ideal for formatting reports or arranging raw leads into a readable table, and it makes it more clearer to understand as well. Next, another similar function is wrap calls. How does wrap call works? Equal to wrap calls, open bracket. Again, first we will select the data range, comma. Again, so for example, this is again for columns. Okay, so I'll type 3, enter. So see, how did it do? It took it to 1, 2, 3, and since I typed 3, I wanted to change the column after 3 values. So it took 4 here into the next column. So this is how wrap call works. And this is again the same thing. It can you help you, format reports and arranging the raw list into the readable tables. I hope you are clear. So just to summarize this, think of it this way: to call is something that will convert all the data into one column. WRAPROWS controls the columns, and WRAPCOLS control the rows. Okay, all these three are dynamic functions. So if you change the values, the data will automatically change in the table. So I hope you are clear with all the three formulas. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to WorkSmart Essentials for more practical Excel tips that save times and boost productivity. See you in the next video.